We don't know this is a good idea or bad idea. I plan to bring this obstacle to the empty land, which surrounded by the people staying around. I have no idea whether people like it or people don't like it. So I bring some bricks and some spray to spray a coating here. Can't complete this mission by myself, so I decided to bring another skater with me to do this together. See what we can do it. We have no skate park anymore in Kuantan. We have to use our creative mind to build our own skate park to have more fun for ourselves. We already allocate this box at this location. Now we're going to try this out. Do some warm up first before hit to the park. Okay. Let's roll. Let's roll.
At this moment that he knew, he fucked up.
The reason of fall down is because this wheel is broken. Fuck you, man. So we're going to replace another one. All right. Yes. We will try to redo this into yellow color on next round. So see you later. Before we end this video, I'm seeking for your help. Dato Seri Kuantan Seri, who keen to sponsor us a skate park. From my past video, I did mention that we don't have any skate park more in Kuantan. All the time, we are using our own budget, our own pocket money to build the obstacle for ourselves. Sukan Malaysia is coming soon. Kita tiang satu pun tak ada. So how we going to skate? So we just skate whatever obstacle we have. We also looking forward for government to build another new skate park for us, so we can have a proper place for us to training.